So Genmoji has just officially came out, well, in a beta, but in the future it will be coming out. So if you're trying to figure out exactly how to use this particular version of software, this new feature, it's a pretty basic process. The first thing you're going to want to do is you want to make sure you're updated to iOS 18.2. So go inside of your iOS version and just find your iOS update panel, and you want to make sure you're on iOS 18.2. So go in software update, update your phone, and as long as you're on this version of software, you should be good to go. Now, once you're updated, you also want to make sure you have Apple Intelligence turned on. So go inside of Apple Intelligence and Siri, click here, and just make sure this is enabled. As long as this is enabled, you're pretty much good to go from this particular standpoint as well. Now, next up, after all these things are set up, what you're going to want to do is you want to make your way over into some sort of area where you can see your emojis. So what I do is I go inside of my particular messaging application, I go inside of a random chat. You want to click on your message panel down here, and you want to click on emojis. So tap on emojis, and then what you're going to want to do is you want to tap on this particular icon right here. So what that icon allows you to basically do is it allows you to get into this image creation panel now. So now what you're going to want to do is you want to go and click on request early access, and then it'll say early access requested. So now it's going to take just a little bit of time for it to go ahead and actually, get through and finally get you into play. But then once that's gone through, once you've actually gone ahead and gotten, early, access, you'll then be able to go ahead and have this type of panel come up when you go and tap on the little Genmoji option that will come up there. And then you can go and start describing exactly what type of emoji you want. So in this particular screenshot that somebody took, it'll go and tell you that if you want to go ahead and write down like smiley, relaxing, wearing cucumbers, whatever, you can go and write down this emoji, and then it'll go ahead and actually create it for you. Same thing for these other ones too that this person created. A lox bagel, I don't know what that is, but you can go and write it down here, and it'll go and basically come up. And you can also write down whatever this thing, squirrel DJ. You can also write down this, and it will go and create these types of emojis for you. So it really is that basic. That's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.